Artificial intelligence is no more trapped inside your phone or computer. It's becoming part of everyday objects. From smart pens to AI companion and futuristic glasses, these 10 incredible gadgets prove the future isn't coming someday. It's already staying on store shelves. Number 10. PLANTSIO Ivy Smart Plant Pot. Ever bought a plant only to watch it slowly die? You're not alone. Meet the PLANTSIO Ivy Smart Plant Pot, your personal AI gardener. Built-in smart sensors monitor soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and light levels 24/7. When your plant needs water, the automatic watering system delivers the perfect amount. No overwatering, no underwatering. The companion app keeps you updated in real time. Get smart care tips, timely reminders, personalized advice for every plant, herbs, flowers, succulents, indoor plants. It automatically creates the perfect growing environment. Beginners love its simplicity. Experienced gardeners appreciate its precision. It's proof that artificial intelligence isn't just changing technology, it's transforming gardening too. Number 9. Typhur Sync 8 QTAI Air Fryer. Think every air fryer is the same? Think again. The Typhur Sync 8 QTAI Air Fryer cooks with the intelligence of a professional chef. Its biggest innovation is the world's first built-in wireless food thermometer, tracking your food's internal temperature with incredible precision. No guessing. No cutting food opens to check if it's done. AI adjusts the heat automatically. Every second counts. Cook a whole chicken with crispy skin, juicy meat, perfect results. Then it shuts off at the right moment. The massive 8-quart basket feeds the whole family. 9 cooking modes handle it all. Steaks, fries, vegetables, even desserts. Connect the companion app for remote monitoring, smart recipes, and cooking notifications. This is effortless cooking powered by AI. Number 8. Virtusx Jethro Vi 1 AI Mouse. What if your computer mouse became your smartest coworker? Meet the Virtusx Jethro V1 AI Mouse. It looks ordinary, but hidden inside is an AI assistant ready to boost your productivity. Hold the dedicated AI button and simply speak. Dictate documents, translate languages, ask questions, generate content. It even rewrites, expands, shortens, or summarizes text with a single click using its smart toolbar. But that's only the beginning. Rewrite, expand, shorten, or summarize text with one click. Smart Toolbar makes it effortless, but that's just the start. Create PowerPoint presentations, build Excel spreadsheets, generate AI images, summarize long documents, answer complex questions, all in one place. No endless app switching. Everything happens directly from your mouse. Less clicking, less multitasking, more getting things done. Once you try it, a regular mouse suddenly feels outdated. Number 7. Enabot EBO ROLA Mini. Wish you could check on your home or your pets from anywhere? The Enabot EBO ROLA Mini makes it feel effortless. This adorable AI robot patrols your home while you're away. A crystal clear 2K camera watches every corner, day or night. Built-in night vision keeps everything visible after dark. AI motion detection spots unusual activity instantly, then sends real-time alerts straight to your phone. Need to check on your dog? Just open the app. Use two-way audio to talk, comfort your pets, or call family with one tap. The compact robot rolls over carpets and small obstacles with ease. It reaches places ordinary cameras can't. It even captures your pet's funniest moments automatically. Up to 25 days of battery life means less charging, more peace of mind. A smart home companion you'll use every day. Number 6. ENERGIZE Lab Eiliko AI Companion. Tiny in size, huge in personality. Meet the ENERGIZE Lab Eiliko AI Companion. Clip it to your backpack, jacket, or bag. Then watch it come alive. Tap it, shake it, pet it. Every interaction unlocks cute animations, expressive faces, playful emotions. It feels like a tiny digital pet. Want to match your style? Swap its outer shell with different themed designs. But here's the coolest part. When two Eiliko companions meet, they recognize each other instantly. They wave, laugh, and unlock exclusive shared animations. Built-in Wi-Fi unlocks an AI chat assistant. Ask questions, get instant answers, or just have a fun conversation. It's more than a gadget. It's a tiny AI companion, full of personality, full of charm, bringing a little fun and a little magic to everyday life. Number 5. Euvola Emotional AI Companion. Most AI remembers your words. Euvola Emotional AI Companion remembers how you feel. That's what makes it different. It goes beyond basic chatbot replies. It learns from every conversation, remembers your preferences, understands your emotions. Over time, every response feels more personal, more thoughtful, more familiar. The more you talk, the better it knows you. You can even upload a photo and voice to create a companion inspired by someone meaningful, or choose from a growing library of AI personalities. Unlike most cloud-based AI devices, Euvola stores everything locally. Your memories stay private. Your data stays in your control. It's always there when you need someone to talk to, day or night. It's not designed to replace human relationships. It's about creating an AI companion that feels supportive, comforting, and genuinely personal. Number 4. Omi AI Pendant. Imagine remembering every brilliant idea, every important meeting, and every conversation without writing a single note. That's exactly what the Omi AI Pendant is built for. Wear it around your neck, or clip it to your shirt. It quietly listens in the background. AI captures meetings, lectures, conversations, then turns them into organized notes, smart summaries, action items, even presentations. Forgot someone's name? Omi remembers. Miss an important detail? Omi has it saved. Stay focused on the conversation, not your notebook, not your phone. The AI handles everything in the background. You stay fully present. Perfect for students, professionals, creators, or anyone with a busy schedule. It's like carrying a second brain, one that never forgets the moments that matter most. Number 3. XREAL One. AR glasses. What if a giant 147-inch display could fit inside your pocket? Meet the XREAL One. AR glasses. Powered by the custom X1 spatial computing chip, these glasses project a massive virtual screen wherever you look. No bulky headset, just lightweight glasses. Native 3 DOF tracking keeps the screen locked in place. Move freely. The display stays stable. Ultra-low latency keeps everything smooth. Perfect for gaming, movies, and work. The Sony Micro OLED display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, razor-sharp detail. Built-in Bose speakers provide rich, private audio. Plug into your phone, laptop, gaming handheld, or PC with USB-C. Instantly carry a personal cinema, gaming setup, and workstation anywhere. Number 2. HiDock P1 AI Recorder. Great ideas disappear fast. The HiDock P1 AI Recorder makes sure they never do. This compact AI recorder pairs with your Bluetooth earbuds. Hands-free recording, zero hassle, meetings, lectures, interviews, brainstorming sessions. Dual studio-grade microphones capture crystal clear audio. Advanced noise reduction blocks distractions. Then the AI takes over. It instantly transcribes conversations, identifies different speakers, creates accurate summaries, extracts action items automatically. Need multilingual transcription or instant translation? It's ready. It handles that too. Instead of scrambling to write notes, you stay focused on the conversation while everything is organized for you. With lifetime free transcription included, the HiDock P1 turns every important conversation into searchable knowledge you can revisit anytime. Number 1. Flowtica Scribe AI Recording Pen. Taking notes has barely changed in decades. The Flowtica Scribe AI Recording Pen changes everything. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary premium pen, but hidden inside is a powerful AI assistant. As you write, it records every conversation, perfectly syncing your handwritten notes with crystal clear audio. Here's something important. Simply press the built-in highlight button. Here's a tighter, more YouTube-friendly version with short, punchy sentences and stronger rhythm. The AI captures every word instantly. Nothing gets lost. Nothing gets forgotten. Later, the companion app turns everything into searchable notes. It recognizes different speakers, pulls out action items, even matches whiteboard photos with your notes. No missed details, no messy notebooks, just smarter note-taking. Perfect for students, professionals, creators, anyone who wants to remember everything. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.